Hey guys, this is going to be a bonus tutorial. I'm winging this one a little bit because I haven't done this one and I just got the idea while I was making these frames up here. And so if you followed along with that tutorial, you'll know that we used canvas frames and we cut out the actual canvas material. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making now a sign with that canvas material that I removed. So what are you going to need? We're going to need these little canvas parts. You're also going to need a stencil, or if you're going to be using a Cricut, you can make a design on there as well. You're going to need popsicle sticks. These big ones I got from the Dollar Tree. Big ones are the ones that we're going to use today. You're also going to need some string. If you want to paint your popsicle sticks, you're going to need paint, or if not stain, I will be staining mine. And then you're going to need paint also if you'll be using a stencil. So, like I said, I'm going to be winging this a little bit, so let's see what we come up with.
Alright, I've got my stencil onto the canvas and I am using my stencil brush to put the paint on there. And what I'm doing is I am dabbing the paint on there just in case there's any space between the stencil and the canvas. I don't get any blurred lines underneath there. For the bottom portion, I'll be using a small regular paintbrush just because there's more intricate details at the bottoms, and I'll be using different colors. I don't want them to mix together. So I'm just going to continue to paint this, and once I'm done, I will show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm done with the painting, and this is what it looks like. At this point now, we're going to put the top and bottom part of our little sign together. I'm going to be using some leftover paint sticks, but you can use popsicle sticks also. Okay, and for this last part, we're going to be securing down the sticks. So you're going to have 4 sticks, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. I ended up actually just spray painting these because I like the color better, and I thought it just went better. You can put these sticks down as far down or up as you want to on this canvas. I'll be making this a short sign only because I wanted to cover up a mistake that I had right above the thankful word. So my sign will be a shorter sign. So what you're going to do is you're going to glue one stick to the top and one stick to the bottom on the front of the sign. You're going to take your string to hang it with, and you can either glue that down behind the top stick in the front or behind the top stick in the back. Once you've got the front sticks glued down, you're going to turn it over and then glue the sticks that go in the back. And once that was done, I decided that I liked the look better with the sticks matching the width of the canvas, so I cut it down. And that was it.
Alright guys, that's it for this mini project, and this is the finished result. It was super easy to do, it was super fast. Also, I really like the way that it came out. As you can see here, using the stencil, it's my first time using that stencil actually, and I really like it. I love the look that it gives. For these projects like this, I really am not into like a perfect looking project. I like to see a little bit of rough edges around this stuff because it definitely adds to the look that I like to have in my home. I like that rustic kind of farmhouse look. So this definitely fits in with my decor, and I will absolutely use it. One tip that I have for you guys, all of this basically was made with just leftover stuff that I have from other projects. So the canvas was reused from when I cut it off to use the frames for the vase up here. And the paint sticks were actually cut down from a project, and these were the leftover pieces. So I don't really throw this stuff away, which is always a really great rule of thumb, just because you never know when you're going to need it. I hope that you guys were able to follow along and do something similar. I definitely would love to see what you come up with. And again, tag us at the Craft Co by Lo on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can see more of our videos. So that's it for today in our first little bonus mini crafting session. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below. And yeah, we will see you again soon.